Good morning, all of you. Welcome once again in our today's lecture. Right. Then, in our previous lecture, we had discussed the liquid to be applied on skin. Right. In which already we have completed the liniment. Right. And some portion from the lotion also. Right. So, and then today we will starting from the lotion. Right. Then the lotion, it is a monophasic liquid preparation applied externally on the skin by without friction. Right, means this is also on other type of preparation. It is as similar like a our liniment. Right, it is similar like a liniment. It is also applied on skin. Right, as like there is a quite difference, that is the liniments are applied with a friction or a rubbing. Right, with a friction or rubbing. This is the applying process, means with the help of friction, with the help of hand we can friction, with a friction we can use the applied the liniment or rubbing, means with a small massage like we can apply the liniment. Right, but in case of lotion it is applied without friction or rubbing. Right, without friction or rubbing. Right, actually the application of lotion done by the some absorbent material, with the help of some absorbent material the application, the lotions are applied. Right, so absorbent material like a cotton wool or cotton gauze. Right, means this cotton wool are directly soaked with the lotion. Right, and then it is applied on skin surface, right, without friction. So this is the applying process or meaning of our lotion. Right, and it is applied externally as we know that. Right, then lotion used for local action as a antiseptic, soothing, cooling or protective. Right, means lotions either possess antiseptic action or soothing action, cooling action and protective action. Right, actually the lotions or liniment are applied topically, that is on part of any part of our body. Right, if that time we get a local action. Suppose one person has a hand injury or some uh, pain are arising or some inflammation are happen on his hand. That time we can use the lotion also if we need any antiseptic or soothing effect. Right, uh, basically the boys are know about it. Right, because it is uh, used in saloon also. Right, after shaving there is a application of lotion for the antiseptic purpose. Right, or sometimes it's give a cooling and also as a protective action. There is a one calamine lotion also that is applied after the burning, means if somebody get a sunburn or a skin burn. Right, if somebody get a sunburn, right, due to sun rays, if anybody get some burn, that time also some lotions are applied. Right, and that is the calamine lotion that act as a antiseptic. Right, so various these properties are generally shows the drug which is contained or dispensed in the lotion form. Right, that is antiseptic, soothing and cooling and protective action. Right, sometime alcohol is added in aqueous lotion to get a cooling or soothing action. Right, sometime the alcohol also used in the preparation of lotion for getting a cooling and soothing action. Right, means it's help to minimize the irritation. If somebody get irritation on his skin, that time also he can use the alcohol based lotion. Right, it gives a cooling and soothing action. So there is some example of lotion, that is as I said, the calamine lotion. Then salicylic acid lotion, right? Calamine lotion is possess the protective property. It shows the protective action. If anybody get a sunburn, that time the doctor prescribed or refer the calamine lotion, right? And salicylic acid lotion, it is a one kind of some antiseptic and anti-inflammatory action. It is a antiseptic or anti-inflammatory action also, right? So this is a small regarding the small information regarding the lotion, right? After that, how it is dispensed or how it is store it, right? So that is a container, means there is a some specific kind of container which is we have to use for dispensing and storage of that lotion, right? So let's see the dispensed in a colored fluted bottle. In a colored fluted bottle, I think you know about the lotion bottle, right? It uh, it is a color and fluted bottle, means there is has some opening, right, which is are made up in such a way that it easily pourable, right? Means it not has a wide mouth, right? It is a fluted bottle, means our your general use cosmetics like our hand wash, the about the Dettol hand wash like bottle, right? Because and this colored fluted bottle is recommended for this because we can easily distinguish or discriminate the preparation meant for an internal use, right? That's why for the lotions and liniments we suggest the use of color fluted bottle, right, for distinguish from the internal use preparation. Then labeling, then is some statement and or some instruction which should be given or we should written over the label, right? Whenever we're going to label the lotions, right? That is, label must stated that external use, for external use only. It is very necessary to state out or very necessary to apply on the label, because it is if it is not written on this label, that time may chances of happening any other unwanted effect, or if by accidentally patient will get internally, that time may cause any other side effect. That's why it is very necessary to mention the that state that is for external use only, right? And along with this statement also should be given there, right? Because shake well before use, right? It is a liquid preparation, right? It contains some other medicament also, or on long storage may chances of settle down the all particles of medicament in the bottom portion of bottle. That time we need to, whenever we going to use it, that time we will we have to shake it, right? That's why this statement is very necessary or very important to be stated on the label, right? That is a shake well before use, means not only about this, actually all kind of liquid preparation we have to shake well before use, right? Shaking is very necessary for any kind of liquid preparation, right? We can better understand it is in our next chapter, that is suspension chapter, right? Because what is the actual purpose of shaking, right? So then our storage, then how can we store it, right? Then store in well closed airtight container. Always it is necessary to store our lotion preparation in closed airtight container, right? Then also keep in cool place, right? Also recommend for keep in cool place, right? So it is all about your lotion preparation, right? So there is a way end up our liquid to be applied on the skin, that is two preparation, right? We are completed here, right? Then I think you are understanding. If you have any queries, then ask me, right? Then let's start our other preparation, right? It is also applied on externally, that is liquid to be used in the mouth, right? Liquid to be used in the mouth means only for mouth cavity, not taken in internally, right? It is our mouth, the mouth preparation or the preparation which is used for mouth cavity, that is not fall in internal preparation, right? Also our mouth is also external part of our body, right? So liquid to be used in the mouth preparation, right? There is a three kind of liquid which are generally we are using, right? Externally, that is a gargles, throat paint, mouthwash, right? The mouthwash we are not drink it, right? Means we are just use within our mouth, right? We are just use it in within our mouth, right? We are not drink it. Gargles, then throat paints, mouthwashes, like so gargles, then gargles are generally used for our treating the throat infection, like then mouthwashes, you know the mouthwashes, I think you have experience of that, gargles and mouthwashes also, right? For deodorize our buccal cavities, that time also mouthwashes are generally prescribed, right? So let's start what is that actually, right? So let's begin. That is the gargles. It is our first preparation from the liquid to be used in mouth, right? Then gargles are taken internally, sorry, not internally, taken externally, right? So let's see, it is the concentrated liquid preparation, it is a concentrated liquid preparation taken externally for treating a throat infection, right? For treating the throat infection, it is a medicated medical action of therapeutic action or therapeutic pharmacological purpose of our gargles, using of gargles. Gargles are recommended for treating the throat infection. If somebody has throat infection, right, that time gargles are generally prescribed, right? So throat infection happen due to the various bacteria, right? So means the infection is caused in our throat, right? There is our in our neck, there is a our throat, then trachea, right? Pharynx, larynx is there, that is a throat portion. The infection are caused in that part, right? So gargles are called concentrated liquid preparation taken externally for the treating the throat infection, right? Then throat infection, then before taken it should be diluted with warm water. There is a one recommendation or for one caution that is very necessary to follow, right? Means whenever we are going to take a gargles, right, then before taking it we should dilute the gargles with a warm water, right? Without diluting we can't take it, otherwise it cause a very other fatal effect, right? Because it is a very concentrated preparation, that's why we need, the doctor are recommended for dilution, right? So warm water is, the dilution should be very necessary with warm water. Then a draught of it keep into a throat for a few seconds, after that throw out from the mouth. Means after dilution, a draught of gargles we have to keep into our throat for a few seconds, right? Means the draught of our gargles are leave into our throat, right? Because for after leaving the throat for a few seconds, the medicament reaches to our membrane, mucous membrane, and they kill the or fight with the bacteria which is present in our throat portion, right? And after that, after few seconds, we have to throw out from our mouth, right? It should not drink, right? It should not drink, right? Then it is used to get a relief from the soreness in mild throat infection, right? Means whenever the patient feel a soreness due to the throat infection, that time the gargles are recommended.